Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the clip type and why that matters. Different clips release differently, so missteps can damage the wire. Once identified, put on safety glasses, relieve tension, and hold the wire steady. This prevents sudden snaps. Use needle nose pliers for grip and a flat pick or small screwdriver to pry a tab. Apply gentle pressure rather than force. Make sure to support the wire end so you're pulling the clip off, not the conductor, and proceed slowly to avoid kinks. Continue by working the clip's retention points. You want to disengage tabs one at a time, so lever a corner slightly, then move to the opposite side. This equalizes pressure. When a clip resists, rotate the wire a small amount while prying. This twisting motion helps free catches without tearing insulation. If tools risk cutting the sheath, slide a thin plastic shim between the tool and wire. This distributes force and prevents nicks. Keep checking alignment so the clip slides off cleanly. To finish, inspect the wire for nicks or exposed conductor. If you find damage, cut back and restrip a clean length. This ensures reliable connectivity. If the clip fractures, carefully remove fragments with tweezers or a magnetic pickup. Once cleared, verify continuity to confirm no internal breaks. Make sure to replace the clip or secure the wire with an appropriate connector, heat shrink, or cable tie. If tension caused failure, reroute or add relief so the new attachment won't repeat the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.